Laying eggs. All birds have feathers and all birds lay eggs. A hummingbird has the smallest egg. It is as small as your fingernail. An ostrich has the biggest egg. It is as big as 24 hen's eggs. Building nests. Most birds build nests for their eggs, but some birds don't. Emperor penguins don't build nests. The father penguin balances the egg on his feet. His tummy keeps the egg warm. Some birds lay their eggs on the ground. Flying. Most birds can fly, but some birds can't. An ostrich can't fly, but it can run very fast. A penguin can't fly, but it can swim very fast. Swimming. Ducks and swans can swim. They can fly too.